Hi, Greenie Bear. You pushing your baby doll around? Hi, Taya. Come on. Push your baby. Oh, we're going to get stuck. There we go. There you go, kid. Push that baby. Hi. Good walking, little girl. Good job, Taya. Hey, Taya, can you wave?
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Princess. Oh, did you find a dead end, sister? Do you want to come this way? Let's turn it this way. Oopsies. Here you go, kid.
Mom, this is dark.
Cutest thing ever, huh? Brittany's up on her feet. What a big girl. Hi, Taya. Look at you running. Can you climb up there and wave? Can you wave? Boo. Okay, look at Mom. Hi, camera. Oh, found a wall. Good job.